Here we are. Fisher's Green saddle open.
Saddle open.
Yeah, ready to.
How you feeling today, Christian?
Yeah, I'm feeling okay. Yeah,
good,
feeling
yeah.
good. Yeah, got a good boat. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
So there's about 30 plus boats at the moment. It's looking good.
Got a nice.
A few big names over there.
There's a few big boys in the paddock.
Yeah.
And say thank you all for coming and racing and enjoying the weather and the lunch. We should probably say a big thank you to Nick Yanakiogas for the race officer role. Well done, Nick. That was tough. So, thank you very much for that. We got third place with one of our visitors from Ardley, James Goodfellow. So a quick photo, thank you very much. Second place for our solo open this year is one of our own boats, Paul Rayson.
Hey.
And the first photo for the record, first prize, Alan Bishop from Girton.
Oh, and it's been such a long time, so thank you. And Nick, thank you. And you made the best decision on that second race. because I was right at the back. And without that, you're the man.
Our winning solo say that 2021.
Well done.
Hey.
Thank you.
Well done. Thank you.
Yeah.